Hello everyone, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today we're going to be sharing with you 201 Westgate. This is a beautiful property in Balbao Terrace, and you can just see from surrounding houses, everything is just gorgeous in this neighborhood. Very few cars. Everyone has a yard and such. So I'm excited to be sharing this with you. You probably don't want to see me, so I'm going to turn this camera around and we're going to go visit the property. All right, here we go. So first thing that strikes you is a beautiful natural green grass that decorates the front of the building, and then also the Tudor style historical look. Lots of windows, just very well manicured. And very well taken care of. You can see the hedge all very nicely cut. Big windows, and just really the cute factor is just something divine. It's called Pura Vida, Costa Rica. So here we go, nice big wooden front door. And then you're greeted with a huge foyer area. Things that you're struck by are the tall ceilings, the arched doorways. What a lot of properties don't have in San Francisco is a coat closet, which this one has. Very impressive. So let's walk down these stairs and go into the living room. Absolutely gorgeous. You have these tall vaulted ceilings, stained glass in the corner, big picture window. Now that's a motorized set of blinds there as well, and really intricate wooden flooring. The paneling is narrow and very delicately installed. We can make that into a working fireplace if so desired. Just let the agent know as you see the property, and we can go from there. Now you see furniture in here, and part of that is because this property is still lived in. The owner of this furniture is willing to let some of it go if there's anything that strikes anyone's fancy, so let us know. That's why we do have the listing as marked as furniture optional. So just went through the dining room there. These are double pane windows, so keeps the warmth in while the noise out. Not that noise is a big issue here in Balboa Terrace. 5-burner gas range, dishwasher, microwave, and then ice maker on your refrigerator. So love that. We have a kitchen bar seating here, and then really a gorgeous bay window overlooking the garden with some built-in bench seating. So just fantastic. And these are, of course, double pane windows, and looking back there is the dining room. So let's turn around and looking to the right, I'm going to point this direction. Going down, there's the garage. There's the 4th bedroom. There's laundry with massive oversized, look how beautiful that is, oversized laundry machines, and an immense amount of storage. And again, speaking of storage, look at these closets. Very nice, and makes for a lot of space savings and functionality. So, and then it should be also noted that all the windows have treatment. So they have blinds. In the bedrooms is blackout shades, so which makes that super nice. One of the bathrooms, shower, sink, toilet combination, tile, backsplash, and tile floors. Again, more closet space. Here we go, linens. And before we go in the primary bedroom, let's go into this room, because this is really special. So we're going to make this optional. People have the option of keeping this wall, or if you're a Minecraft aficionado, you're going to love this. Or we will paint this to match the rest of the room. Huge amount of windows in here, and then nice spacious closet, as many of them are in this property. So just this late in the afternoon right now, and you can still appreciate how much sun's coming in. Okay, that is a huge bed. That's a king size bed, and it fits so well in here. So it just shows you how much room is in this bedroom. It's just immense. And then there's all this closet space. So if you're a person that likes closet space, big primary bedrooms, this is the property for you. So here we go. Again, tall ceilings in the bathroom, even shower, tub combination, and then medicine cabinet and vanity. These are lovely floors right here. I'm not sure that these are tile, kind of a stone tile it looks like, but just gorgeous and very well done. So that concludes the tour. Like I said, there is a garage, and then there's there's two driveway spots for your vehicle as well. So don't want to miss out on that. This is August. It'll be available August 2022, middle of the month. Probably plan on the 19th or 20th. This is professionally managed, so you will have a professional property manager to work with as you live here. So use the links below to find out more information. If you like this video, I'm going to turn this around. If you like this video, let us know. You can hit the like button. We always like that. And see all the links below, or go to our website and see if they have other listings as well. Okay, thanks for watching. It was great having you here in the house with me, and we'll look forward to the next one. All right, cheers. Bye-bye.